All right. Hello, everybody, and how are you doing today? I want to do a little intro video on how you could get started opening a paper trading account. So that's what this little short video is going to be today, because the first step to succeeding in anything is to get started, get practice, get training. So I've got my computer over here, my monitor, and I'm going to show you how to set up a paper trading account. And if you don't know what paper trading is, let me tell you. So there's day trading, where you're trading with real money, real capital, real risk of loss. But if you're starting out just learning initially how to day trade, it would probably be pretty dumb idea to trade with real money, right? So that's why paper trading exists. So paper trading, some brokerages offer paper trading to allow you to basically simulate real live trading. So you're putting in real orders like buy and sell orders, and it's simulated on the market. So it's as if you're playing in the actual market, but it's fake money, basically. It's monopoly money. So it's a good idea to get started and have practice, and maybe even if you're more experienced at trading, to try new techniques. I know right now I'm trying to wrap my head around options, puts and calls, and buying puts and selling calls, and all that stuff, because it's really confusing for me right now, or not confusing, but convoluted, and it's something I don't have much experience in. So instead of trading options with my real money, because I don't know a thing about options, I've been paper trading with options, just so that I could simulate and see what's going on. So without further ado, let's go over here to camera 3, monitor, picture-in-picture up, and I'm going to show you a few different trading platforms. So Webull is what I use. I use Webull to trade. They have a nice platform on mobile as well. Although, when I'm trading, I want to have a bigger screen and be able to see more detail. So trading on the computer is also probably a better idea. So you've got your charts, you've got your prices, you've got your trading and sales, you've got volume. You can see level 2 data if you want to, volume as well. A ton of different stuff. So this is a really great platform, and I'm pretty sure all platforms are pretty much, zero commission nowadays, but this is zero commission as well. Okay, another platform right here is TD Ameritrade, and they have a platform called Think or Swim. It's really popular. TD Ameritrade is owned by Charles Schwab, and before they were owned by Charles Schwab, they were their own company, but Think or Swim is their platform. So that's just one difference. I've not traded much with TD Ameritrade, their Think or Swim platform. I'm pretty sure that it's zero commission as well. But it's pretty much the same as Webull in that extent. I like the interface of Webull too. Okay, so thirdly, we're going to go to Charles Schwab. And Charles Schwab is actually where I have my long-term portfolio. This is where I buy stocks, and I don't trade with them. So I don't need all of this like crazy, charts and candles and those kind of that kind of stuff. Charles Schwab is just very simple. It's a simple platform where you put in buy orders, and there's not much, technical analysis you can do. There's fundamental, analysis stuff where it'll tell you, okay, details about the company. But other than that, Charles Schwab is really great for, the long-term account. Now, let's take it over to Webull. So I've got Webull here. Once you download the platform, you get the app, you open the account, right? It's just a little bit of an application. I open the account. I'm in paper trading. See, you've got paper trade, daily trade, account, markets, screener, watch lists, and stocks. You've got a few different options. But we're here in paper trading. And the thing I also like about Webull is you'll notice that, there's this gray area right here, but it's just because I haven't basically set up this menu. That's weird. What just happened? Anyway. Okay, so we'll hit the plus here for new layout. And you can actually customize your different layouts. So I've got a layout here that is meant for one size screen. And here, when I want to hook up to my big monitor to trade, it's fully customizable. So I could take, this section and I could move it around, right? Let's go to P1, which is kind of, I don't know, fun for me. I like this layout. And if I were blown up on a larger screen, I'm just showing you today, so I'm not on my big monitor. You've got time and sales, you've got trade, you've got quotes, you've got your paper account detail, you've got watch lists, the charts, and then some indicators down here that you can do. So, without going too deep into everything here, I'm just going to show you how to set up the account. So you'll go to paper account detail and click reset, and we'll click a starting amount that actually reflects an amount that we would start trading with. So as I said, the pattern day trader rule is $25,000. So that's the amount of money that I'd start trading with when I start trading with real money, theoretically. So, and it's very important to do this because you don't want to put like, $1 million fake money in your paper trading account, because, psychologically it's going to be very different. You're playing basically trading. How I like to look at it is like, okay, pick a goal target of like percentage gain on a trade that you want to make. Say in a day of trading, I want to get my portfolio up, my trading account, I want to increase by 1%, right? If I have $1,000, then I want to make, $10. If I have 10,000, I want to make $100. That's a goal, a 1% per day goal. So it scales obviously with the amount of money that you're trading with. So if I'm trading with I set $1 million, account value for my paper trading, which I'm not going to start trading with, obviously, then, that 1% is $1,000. And the volume of everything that you're trading with scales, and it's all different. So psychologically, it's the best idea, even though it doesn't really matter because you're trading on the same principles. It's the best idea, in my opinion, to start trading with, to start your paper trading account off with an amount that would be reasonable for you to actually start trading with. So, and say you don't have 25K. I mean, 25K is still a lot of money. Let's say 5K. Let's say you start trading with 5,000, right? You can set this net account value to 5,000. Now we've got our 5,000 set. So let me show you actually what's going on. We can set our interval to 1 minute. Let's check it out. Big red candle. So hypothetically, let's just say, hey, I think Tesla is going to rebound because it's on this red candle right now. So we've got $5,000. So let's buy 10 shares, right? Let's buy 10 shares at market of Tesla. You see this order is in. We just click the buy button, simulated buy, and the order is in. It's working. It's a market order, meaning it's going to fill me as fast as possible. Boom, it just filled me. Now we're in positions, and we'll see where it filled us at. Okay, we've got 10 shares of Tesla at a market value of $2,867. Our average price was $286.93. And our position ratio is 100%. So 100% of our positions are in Tesla right now. Now, if you notice, the buying power changes. So let's go over here. Our buying power should change to reflect that we don't have all our cash in. Yeah. So our buying power, we have $2,130 left, right? That's how easy it is. And let me just sell it just to show you. So now I sell 10, and I can choose limit order, sell it at a certain price, or just a market order. Sell it whenever. Sell it, whenever is most convenient. So we've got that sell order in. We've got our position of 10 still. We're waiting for it to fill. Hopefully it fills very soon. The one thing with paper trading that I do notice, and there we filled. We got it, okay? Paper account detail, we lost $4. So anyway, the one thing that I do notice with paper trading on Webull is that the time for the market order is a little bit delayed. Like usually when I put a market order in on, Tesla in real life, it fills instantly because there's so much volume. There are so many people trading in and out of the stock. But with the paper trading, you did notice there was like a 20-second delay. So, that might just be a little like bug, not a feature of the Webull paper trading platform. But anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video, learn along with me and show you all out there like what's going on and how can you start a paper trading account. really, yeah, it's a skill that anyone can learn. And when you're paper trading, it's free to learn. Basically, you're just spending your time learning the skill. You're not risking your own money or anything like that. So anyway, folks, I just wanted to make this quick video, and I hope you're having a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.